welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to track gratitude daily using Daylio. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to simply track gratitude daily using Daylio, all you can do is simply get logged in into your Daylio. Once you're logged in into your Daylio, you can simply get it through your Play Store or App Store, and you can simply tap on it and install it. So once you get your Daylio, you can simply get logged in into the account as well. So once you have got logged in into your account, all you gotta do is simply first customize its activities to include various positive experiences such as walking in nature, reading, spending time with friends, or learning something new. So you can simply build your habits, you can simply do your challenges, and simply get a pattern of great gratitude or daily habits. So then for each day, you need to log your mood and select all the relevant gratitude related activities you performed. Like you did self growth or like happy couple time, date night, and stuff like that. So if you do this, this will allow you to use Dailyo statistics to see which activities are linked to more positive mood, helping you understand what brings you gratitude. So this way you can track gratitude daily using Daylio. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.